Hey, what's going on guys? We just shipped the updated version of Knightfall called MK1. All the stats have been improved. Win rate is up from 62% to now 63%. Profit factor went from 1.67 to now 1.727. And the biggest improvement has been the drawdown from 2609 now 2276. Everything across the board has been improved. It's the same ORB system, just tighter filters. Another update is I completely rebuilt the dashboard. It is simpler and it works a lot better on mobile. It tells you all the same information. It's just a lot easier to use. To get this set up on your chart, it's still very simple. If you're trading MNQ in your session, all you have to do is pick your risk settings. If you're not sure what risk to run, on the site I got a planner. You pick your account size, compare the risk profiles against the backtest. If you want to run a different session, instrument, or orb window, you can just dial in the settings yourself, backtest them, and see what you come up with. It's fully customizable. There's a full breakdown on the site of the 7 years of backtest data plus the live track record, updated every single session. And if you want to trade this fully hands-off, Knightfall Auto Trader places the exact same trades automatically. Or trade it live with us every weekday morning. I'm in the Discord sharing my screen, trading in real time with the members. I'm putting out a full setup walkthrough of MK1 and Knightfall Auto Trader soon. Subscribe so you don't miss out on it. You also get a 2-week free trial to try it on your charts. I'll have a link down in the description below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.